Hi kids, let's learn the fruits name A to Z. A for apple. A P P L E apple. B for banana. B A N A banana. C for cherry. C H E R Y cherry. D for dates. D A T E S dates. E for etrog. E T R O G etrog. F for fig. F I G fig. G for grapes. G R A P E S G for grapes. H for honey melon. HONEY. I for ice cream bean. ICECREAMBEAN ice cream bean. J for jackfruit. JACKFRUIT jackfruit. K for kiwi. KIWY. L for lychee. LYCHEE lychee. M for mango. MANGO mango. N for nectarine. NECTARINE nectarine. O for orange. ORANGE orange. P for pineapple. PINEAPPLE pineapple. Q for coins. QUIANCE coins. R for raspberry. RASBERRY raspberry. S for sweet potato. S for strawberry. T for tomato. U for urava fruit. URAVAFRUIT. V for Viagra palm. W for watermelon. X for xylocrab. Y for yellow dragon fruit. Z for zigzag fruit. For more videos, subscribe Unitoon Kids Network. Thanks for watching.